Alright, last day of Advent of Code. Last couple of days was a bit hard to record myself because I'm at my parents' place. And if your father walks into the background, it's a bit awkward. So yeah, last day. Thanks for watching, everybody. And let's see what day 25 brings. And if we can find more star fruit, because we need 2 more stars. Let's go, go, go. Full of hot air. As the expedition finally reaches the extraction point, several large hot air balloons drift down to meet you. Okay, we have a fuel heating machine. The fuel heating machine is a new addition to the process. When this mountain was a volcano, the ambient temperature was more reasonable. Let's see. Googly eyes, start calling it Bob. Bob needs to know the total amount of fuel that will be processed ahead of time. That sounds fair. Some of fuel requirements. That sounds like a day one puzzle. You assume the cells will have no trouble adding up some numbers and are about to go back to figuring out which balloon is yours when you get a tap on the shoulder. This doesn't look good indeed. Fortunately, Bob is labeled with a support phone number. Not to be deterred, you ask for help. Just supply the fuel amount to the for more than one burner, no problem. You just need to add together our special numeral and log fuel number. Snafu. You mentioned it's quite cold up here. I ask if you can skip ahead. You know how starting on the right normal numbers have 1 place, a 10th place, 100 place? Have powers of 5 instead of 10. That's why some of the digits look like minus or is instead of digits. So using digits 4 through 0, the digits are 1, minus and double minus. Minus is worth -1 and double minus is worth -2. What? So because 10 in normal number is 2 5s and no 1s. What the fuck? This is crazy. I first thought, oh, this is easy because I can use the int function in Python and then extract that back to like you can just say, oh, it's this format. Okay, but apparently that's also not possible. Ten in normal numbers, 2 5s and no 1s. Oh, this is like Roman numerals or something. If 1 5 is basically 4. You have the snafu number 2. Okay. There's no way that any fuel. Okay, let's take a look there. Dev snuff snafu to int. Let's see. For line in lines, print line. For the index and the character in snafu. Place is 5 to the power. That seems good. Total is 0. Value is, let's create a dictionary. So 2 is, what again? Oh, why is this so weird? This is perfect. Okay, so 2 is 2. 1 is 1. 0 is 0. Minus is -1. And also, as you can see on days like this, CoPilot is absolutely useless. Actually, turn the total this time. And 1747 906 337. Okay. Total is snafu and total 4809. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wait, what? Why is it wrong? Why? Oh, wait. I just didn't read the complete question. The classical way to finish this 4890. As you go to the input, you discover that some buttons are missing and set your method some buttons labeled. This input value expressed as a snafu, not as a decimal. Okay. Okay. Def int to snafu. E. I don't know. I guess we entered 0. Let's see. into 0 becomes 0. Okay. Let me see what I want. '22. It's so weird because now you have to think about that the number 3 how do I visualize this in my head? So I guess that we're going down to 5. Super cool. But what I found super confusing is the fact that you should go negative at some point. Wait a second. It's 2022, I think it's a nice example. So let me get this straight. If you I think you want to work from largest to smallest, right? But then how do you most efficiently do this? shuffle values C. So at least this function works. That I'm happy with. Let's see. 10 in normal numbers is 2 5s and no 1s. 2 5s minus 2 1s. So I have the location, so I guess I should check if it is it in a certain range or is it larger than something? Ten in normal ones is 2 5s and no 1s. Let's maybe then start with the example of 10. Certain moment you have 5. Oh, this is so confusing. Instead of using 4 digits, 4 through 0 digits are 2, 1, 0, minus, and double minus. Eight in normal numbers is 2 times 5 minus 2 ones, 2s. Yeah, this part is easy. Okay. So you have a 1's place, a 5 place, a 25's place. How do I go about this? Sometimes it feels very clear in my head and it just immediately fades away. Because I'm like, oh yeah, 8 is in the range of minus minus 20 to 20. I in the range of like see, because we are working with ranges, right? So at some point we're working in the ranges of 5s. Two times base plus 1. Guess that's always the case. And then the question is, which value best matches? Let me see. No, stop. We're stepping with place. I mean, this would be too low, this would be too high. I guess we should also work from -2 till 2 plus 1, increment of 1. Multiplier times value. And here we should get to the reasonable ranges. At some point we nicely get that it's equal to 10. But how does this work for 8 is what I'm wondering. Because at some point we should take the 10. It's exclusive. Then we have in this case it's also weird because I need to take the 10, but it's still larger than the 8. But I also need to take the 0 because the 25 would be too large. So 25 would be too large. But it's not, it's larger than 2 times 8. Two times I is larger or equal to value. So here we can pick to 10. Here we can pick 10. Cool. Okay. Picking the 10. But then we have -2 remaining. Let me take another example, the 2022. Go. I really wonder what the smart way here is. So 2022 indeed starts with 1. That's cool. Then we have -11303 remaining. Okay, I'm really not smart enough for this. So it's also fun because the last day is normally something which you can do relatively simply if you know what you're doing. But in this case, it's clearly not the case. I'm now even thinking, can I brute force this? Yeah, my issue is really that sometimes you need to add a negative number. Is the case here with 3, simply because the 2 is too little. But if you want to brute force this, you like add a 5. Add a 5, okay, it's equal. Add a 5. 5. Now, so you start with a 10. Add another one, 20. So let's say 25. It should be easy because that's detectable. Still need to figure out when the number best fits, which should be if you go beyond the number, then it's too much. So we basically loop from -50, -25, 0, 25, 50. So I'm thinking about, should I go from low to high, but -50 would be too low. No, 33. although you can make it with go. How did I do this? So I start with 0. Okay, so this was apparently too big. So I do this. Then I have remaining I guess that part is easy because I do 33 minus 25 is 8. Try making 8. Stuff at the end. Does it now know how to do this? Minus 10, 0, 1, 5. So 5 would be not enough, right? Because I want to do I want to do absolutely do. So then I need to make luckily CoPilot didn't figure this out. So what did I do? I basically just did the algorithm like in this case I can remove 10 can either remove minus 12 or add 12 later. Okay, one option I have right now for an algorithm is figure out how much I can add or remove. If with the amount I have I can still add or remove enough. Take that number. Oh, this is so ugly. This is absolutely terrible. So for power in is 2 times power minus 1. Ja. Snuffle to int of max add, snuffle to int of max remove. Okay, so I can do for this is so terrible. Say remaining is 10. If trying is car plus zeros. If move is smaller or equal than trying's. So I can it's so terrible. It's terrible that I'm now programming this in a new number system. What? Max add, max remove. Yeah, cool. If what I find weird is that I'm comparing strings here. But you can always remove more, right? So that's not really one can always remove more. Let's see. So if I and stuff to end, so remaining is 10. Try remaining. I think it should be minus, right? So we try remaining 10. Snuffle to end, max add. Wait, so it should already trigger here, because try remaining 10. Snafu to int max add, so then we get 62. And we have plus max remove minus 62. So this should be smaller or equal than remaining, should be smaller or equal than plus max add. Is 10 in the range of minus 12 to 12? Absolutely. Then you can safely take this. Great. And then we say great. And then for 8 we can say completely lost in the things I have. Let me try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's a nice high number. Okay. Good. Def into snafu. I didn't define it up there, did I? Oh, I did. Let me just completely remove this. It's funny that I now use, no, 25 should probably be enough. This. There we go. So that becomes 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 is 0. Perfect. So then we can do this part again, print total 4890. Some of these numbers 4890. Print into snafu total 2 is minus 1 is 0. Cool. And then I hope this is enough. There we go. Then I remove the leading zeros. Alright, 1 gold star closer to collecting enough star fruit. Continue to part 2. The hot air balloons quickly carry you to the North Pole. This is terrible because it took me 55 minutes and it should be relatively easy. Anyways, the hot air balloons quickly carry you to the North Pole. As soon as you land, most of the expedition is escorted directly to a small building attached to the reindeer stables. The head smoothie chef has just arrived, warming up the industrial-grade smoothie blender as you arrive. It will take 50 stars to fill the blender. The expedition elves turn their attention to you and you begin emptying the fruit from your back onto the table. A very young elf, one you recognize from the expedition team, approaches the table and holds up a single star fruit he found. The head smoothie chef places it into the blender. Only 49 stars to go. Well, let's start the blender. Alright, make smoothie with only 50 stars. Deliver it to the reindeer. The sleigh's already warmed up by the time they finish eating. We finished every puzzle. I did have a lot of fun solving them. Let's see if you would like to see more things. Okay, shall we go check the calendar? I am ready to check the calendar. This looks beautiful. It's so great. Seeing things appear on the calendar is always the best part and makes waking up way too early every day totally worth it. So yeah, for the people who followed my videos and who stayed with me until the bitter end when programming, a big thanks. Thanks a lot for programming with me and giving me feedback and teaching me new things. And have a good day, and let's see if I make some more videos in the future. And enjoy the calendar. See you.